We're just on our way to see the Facebook Marketplace Corsa. It's a 1.3 diesel. It's had a front end accident, so it looks like we're going to need 2 wings, a bonnet, a bumper and a headlight. Let's see what it looks like.
Guys, so we've bought another car. What are we saying?
This is even worse than the first one, mate.
That's it.
It is angled in, actually, the wheel. It is angled in on this side, just slightly. Yeah.
We can't even drive it home. So what's happening now? I just came to GSF car parts just to get a wishbone, and Chris has already taken the wheel off, and hopefully a new wishbone will sort it out, but I'm not too sure. Great guys, we've got a new wishbone. And the old one is bent, that's it. So hopefully, innit Chris? It's gonna sort it out.
Everything's tight, that's it.
Oh mate, we're just checking if the new wishbone sorted it out or not. Hopefully. Hopefully we can drive it back now. It sounds better.
Oh, it's loads better. Loads better. We're happy now. I think it's just a disc catching. I'm happy, mate. I'm happy. Guys, we just got back. I changed the wishbone, okay, because the wishbone was actually bent, even though I didn't think it was. So £30 later, we changed it at the side of the road, as I'm sure you saw. We finally got back. It drove actually okay on the way home, about 65, 70 miles an hour. It was all right. The steering wheel's tilted to the side still, but it drove straight and true, and it wasn't dangerous like it was before. So let's have a look at everything that's wrong with the car.
Yeah, so we need a new wing, definitely. We need a new bumper. Then we need a new bonnet, because that one is rusty. So, and as we've got another car, then it's just better to swap into it. We need that wing as well, but we might as well swap the door if the other one is better, because that one is scratched, but if not, then
it's no better on the other one.
Yeah, so
it's actually worse. I think they've hit a wall on the other one on this side.
Okay.
So we might have to just blend that. I mean, we'll have a look anyway.
Yeah,
we'll show it on the camera
anyway.
Yeah.
Then we need a new headlight, definitely. But the other one is a facelift model,
yeah.
So we will need to swap the pretty much full front end from the other one.
So from what I've read, the bonnet is the same, the headlights are different, the bumper's different, and the wings are the same.
Yeah.
So obviously that bonnet's rusty anyway, so we'll swap the bonnet, we'll swap the wings anyway because they're knackered. We'll swap both headlights, and then the bumper's absolutely knackered as well, especially if you look on this side, like it's already hanging off, it's
missing part and
missing it here. This is broken. We might have to look at these brackets as well. So we'll show you though, it's not had like a front end impact, it's just had both front side impacts. So actually, like the radiator and everything isn't bad, the front panel's not bent, there's nothing here like structurally that's bent or anything, it's just both sides.
And you might think, why are we doing that one and not the other one? But in the other one, the engine has gone.
The engine's gone, and luckily for us, the bumper's okay, the bonnet's okay, the lights, the wings, but everything else on the car's pretty bad. I mean, we'll show you around it anyway, but everything else is pretty bad on that one. It is a 2012, it has got low mileage, but
it would be a bigger
every single corner is knackered really.
Because it wouldn't be just an engine swap, we would need to respray it.
Yeah, the whole car really.
The whole car,
yeah.
She said something about a cam belt, isn't it?
There's a sticker that says cam belt change at 120,000.
Well, no one knows.
Do you trust that really?
Do
you know what I mean? There's no paperwork to say, even if someone did it themselves, normally you'd have a receipt for the cam belt and stuff like that. If there was a receipt in it, I would say it's probably been changed. But just the sticker, nothing else, it's probably not been changed.
Can't trust, isn't it?
It's done nearly 150,000 miles. So if it is running all right and we do get it driving okay, then obviously we can look at doing a cam belt as well. So the next stage was to get all the broken parts taken off the Corsa and obviously find some new ones and get it ready for the rebuild. Now, the reason we're not using the parts off the other Corsa is because the colour is different, unfortunately, and we've actually managed to save the engine on the other Corsa. So instead of stripping one for parts, we're going to hopefully get 2 working, running Corsas out of it. We found a job lot of parts on Facebook Marketplace over in Grimsby, and here my friend's van is what we used to get all the parts in. So we took that to Grimsby, got all the parts, and here we are prepping some of the parts, getting them ready for painting as well. So they really weren't in bad condition. There was hardly any dents in them or anything like that, so it was quite easy on our side getting them ready for paint. Now, I'm no painter, it's not something that I've really done before, so I had a friend who came by and actually painted the parts, and yeah, it's looking good. So just our look. The paint job actually looks really good. He's doing a fantastic job here. And just before all the parts are set, it started raining. Of course it did. So unfortunately, all the parts are actually ruined because they've got raindrops in them and they've gone all the way through right down to the base again. So here you can see that a little bit at least, and we're going to have to re-sand them and get them resprayed. So here we've sanded them off, we're getting them prepped again, and once they are prepped, once they're back in primer, then obviously we need to get them painted again. Now, unfortunately, the person who painted them in the first place, he's no longer doing spraying. So we had to just find somebody, it was kind of a friend of a friend, who could do a bit of a cheap job on the car. And this is how it turned out. To be fair, it's not bad at all. I actually think the first guy was a much better sprayer, but we needed to get the job done and we need to get this now onto its new owner. So it's not bad. You can't really see it here with the rain, but it's sort of, I don't know, there's a lot of little pinholes, there's a lot of bits in the paint, but they might come out with a polish. The paint match is not that bad at all. It's a lot better actually this time than the last time we bought the paint from a different supplier. So overall, the car doesn't look too bad now. Again, if we did a absolutely perfect job on the front end, it wouldn't be in keeping with the car anyway. Like, the car's got marks, scratches, it's nowhere near a mint car. So this paint job, it will get it to its new owner, and yeah, overall it's in keeping with the car. Here we're just changing the mass airflow sensor because we had an engine management light on and it was coming up for low airflow on the mass airflow sensor. So I'll let you watch the video and see if we can fix it. So right now we still have that engine light on. It's running a little bit rough, so it's a bit shaky. So let's just see. We're gonna change it. But there's no smoke, nothing. It's looking pretty good. Let's see if we change it, if it's gonna make a difference. Anyway, old one, new one. Let's see. Let's see. Just check that's on. Let's just move these tools away. So let's just see now if that engine light's gone on. Let's just see if that light's gone on. See what happens. See if it's going to stay on or if it's going to go off. It's idling just a little bit better actually. Let's see if it's going to go off. In fact, it's idling a lot better. Give it a couple of cycles on the key. Ah, yes! Yes, guys, it's a victory. Woohoo! Right. It runs great, no? Oh, I'm happy. Right. So that's it, guys. Just need to button up a few little jobs, get the license plate back on the front, make sure everything's tightened up and plugged in. Let's take it for a drive. See what happens. It runs so much better, you know. It runs so much better now. It's not shaking anywhere near as bad. It's idling about right, just under 1,000, probably 900, something like that. It was vibrating a little bit, sort of almost like it had a misfire, but now with that new mass sensor it runs beautiful, much better. Let's just check there's no engine light. Beautiful. So let's just go over a quick cost breakdown. The car itself was £250, the wishbone 30, the insurance to get it back was £60. The paint was about £60 as we had to paint it twice and we already had some lacquer left over. I got 2 tyres from a scrap car that I already had, so they turned out to be free. It was £15 for the headlights. We managed to get the bonnet, the bumper and the wings in a job lot of parts, and the whole job lot was £40. We obviously kept the parts that we needed, and then we sold the rest of the parts onto a breaker for £110, meaning we actually made £70 profit on those parts and kept the ones we needed. So that gives us a total right now of £395. Now we are also going to give this car a full service. We need the tracking doing on the front because we changed that wishbone, as well as inspecting that oil leak that you probably saw in the earlier video. All of that work hopefully is going to be around £100. So let's say our total should be around £500 to see it absolutely completely finished and ready for its new owner. Now also, because it's been quite a while that we've been working on this car, it's almost out of MOT as well. It's only got about 2 months MOT on it, so we'll also need to get it in for an MOT at some point, which, assuming that it passes, that is £40 for the MOT. So £550, let's round it up to. What do you think it's worth? Even though it's had a crash, it didn't go through the insurance or anything like that, so it's still a clean car, sort of on the logbook and all that sort of stuff. It's got part service history with it. It's on 150,000 miles, and it's a 2008 Vauxhall Corsa diesel. So let me know in the comments what you think this is going to be worth when we've actually finished everything off. And yeah, hopefully we'll see you in the next one.